The power of webinars in digital marketing. Webinars are a powerful digital marketing tool. They let brands showcase their expertise and engage with their audience. They enable real-time interaction. Q&A sessions can deepen connections and understanding of customer needs. Lead generation. Webinars are a great way to generate leads for your business. Provide valuable content in the webinar. This will help you capture attendees' contact info and grow your email list. Engagement. Webinars are highly engaging, allowing you to interact with your audience in real time. This interaction builds trust and credibility. It leads to stronger relationships and greater brand loyalty. Audience interaction. Webinars allow two-way communication between presenters and attendees. They enable live Q&A, polls, and surveys. This level of audience interaction can provide valuable insights and feedback for your business. Brand awareness. Hosting webinars can help increase brand awareness and visibility within your target market. By sharing your expertise and knowledge, you can position your brand as a leader in your industry and attract new customers. What are some key metrics to measure webinar success? Attendance rate. Measure the number of registrants who actually attend the webinar. Engagement metrics. Track audience engagement in the webinar. This includes questions asked, polls answered, and comments made. Conversion rate. Measure the number of leads or sales generated as a result of the webinar. Audience retention. Measure how long attendees stay engaged with the webinar content. Feedback and testimonials. Collect feedback and testimonials from attendees. This will gauge satisfaction and find areas to improve. Conclusion. In conclusion, webinars can boost your digital marketing. They enhance engagement, generate leads, and raise brand awareness.